This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Mode on Samsung devices. While other brands might call it Zen Mode, Samsung offers a powerful equivalent called Focus Mode, integrated within its digital well-being features. This tool is designed to help you concentrate by reducing interruptions from your phone, allowing you to be more present and productive throughout your day. To activate Focus Mode, begin by opening your phone settings and scrolling down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. From there, tap on Focus Mode. You'll find options to select pre-made modes such as Work Time or Me Time, each designed with specific app allowances. Alternatively, you can easily create a brand new custom mode tailored precisely to your needs. Customizing your Focus Mode session is straightforward. You can select precisely which applications you wish to allow, ensuring only essential tools are accessible. You also have the flexibility to set a duration, ranging from a brief 5 minutes to several hours, or even until you manually turn it off. Important functions, such as emergency calls and your camera, will generally remain available. Once your chosen duration concludes, Focus Mode will automatically deactivate, returning your phone to its normal state. However, you can also manually exit the mode at any time through your notification panel or within the digital well-being settings. By utilizing Focus Mode, you'll experience improved concentration, reduced digital distractions, and a greater sense of control over your device usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.